O-Level English, Paper 2, Non-Narrative Passage, Tackling Planned Response. Please pause the video to read the comprehension text. Generating ideas for a planned response is like solving a puzzle. When tasked with preparing a 2-minute speech about being a street artist or performer, the first step is to brainstorm. Write down every thought, even unconventional ones, such as juggling or mimicking sounds. Do not dismiss any idea initially. Think of this stage as collecting puzzle pieces. Later, you will sort them to create a clear picture. After gathering ideas, organize them logically into categories such as skills required, challenges faced, or rewards of the profession. Use clear lists or mental diagrams to group related points. For example, under skills, note creativity and adaptability. Under challenges, include factors like weather conditions of unpredictable audience reactions. This structured approach ensures your response progresses coherently, similar to chapters in a book. If uncertainty arises during preparation, silently review your notes or mentally rehearse key points to identify areas needing clarification. Once ideas are organized, refine them into a coherent outline. Begin with an introduction stating your viewpoint. Follow with body paragraphs, each focusing on a key category. End with a conclusion that summarizes your stance. Imagine building a bridge. Each section must support the next. Avoid jumping between unrelated points, as this confuses listeners. A well-structured outline acts as a roadmap during delivery. Practice is essential. After preparing for 10 minutes, you will meet the examiner face to face. Use this time to rehearse silently by mentally articulating your key points. Focus on maintaining a steady pace and clear enunciation. Visualize your posture and gestures to project confidence. If certain phrases feel unclear, rephrase them internally. Repeated mental rehearsal strengthens familiarity with your content, minimizing the likelihood of omitting critical details during the presentation. Managing nerves is crucial. It is natural to feel anxious, but preparation minimizes uncertainty. Take deep breaths before speaking to calm your mind. Focus on articulating ideas clearly rather than perfection. If you stumble, pause briefly and continue. Examiners prioritize coherence and confidence over flawless delivery. Remember, they aim to assess how effectively you communicate ideas, not to intimidate you. Finally, deliver your response with confidence. Maintain eye contact and speak at a steady pace. Use your notes as a guide, but avoid reading them verbatim. If asked follow-up questions, listen carefully and respond thoughtfully. A polished performance reflects thorough preparation. By following these steps, brainstorming, organizing, practicing, and presenting, you will demonstrate both creativity and discipline, key skills for any task. The word brainstorm means to generate ideas that are creative. Unconventional in the paragraph means they are not following typical methods. The clause do not dismiss any idea initially in the paragraph means consider all thoughts without judgment. The clause organize them logically means to sort the information collected logically. A structured approach is a systematic way to handle tasks. When uncertainty arises, it means doubt or confusion occurs. The word refine means to improve or polish the ideas. Coherent, on the other hand, means the outline is clear and well organized. In the paragraph, the clause means the content is to be made clearer and stronger. The phrase conclusion that summarizes your stance means that the ending must restate the main ideas clearly. The phrase practice is essential means it is necessary to prepare well. Mentally articulating in the paragraph means that you should be silently organizing your thoughts in the mind. Rehearsal is preparing through repetition. The phrase managing nerves means that you are to stay calm under pressure. When examiners prioritize coherence, it means they focus on the coherence and confidence you are projecting. Flawless delivery means that there are no errors in the presentation. Intimidate in this paragraph means the pressure to frighten you. The word verbatim means to read word for word. So the phrase avoid reading them verbatim means don't read word for word. Use the notes as a guide, not as a script. Thorough preparation means that it is a well-planned readiness. This is the end of the video. Please proceed to learn how to answer the comprehension questions.